welcome back to another vlog. I'm back and Florida has been raining because summer, it just rains and rains and rains, and then it says it's gonna rain every day, and then you go outside and it's sunny, and then it starts downpouring. It's super annoying. But right now it's not raining and the beach isn't raining, so I'm gonna try to make it to the sunset. So I'm gonna bring you along with me, so come on. Guys, so we made it to the beach. It's hot as frick. We're gonna eat my pub subs that I picked up on the way, and then we're gonna go for a swim. Guys, now I'm gonna go for a dip. Oh, the water's kind of warm. Here we go. Take you along for a little friends night out. We're gonna go bowling, so come along with me.